Wait, wait, wait. Again, again, again. Take 2. Food. Food. What kind of food, Zaid?
Chicken liver.
Show it to Mama. Why are you? Face here. Face here. Baby, baby. Wait, wait, wait. Hey. Put it there because it's smelly. Dali, dali. Sige.
Water.
Ah, your water? Oh, this is not included. This is your water. What else?
Chocolate ice cream.
What?
Chocolate ice cream.
Choco ice cream?
Grapes.
Grapes? Okay. The last one, the red one was good.
Chocolate ice cream.
Oh, you have another chocolate ice cream. Wow. What is this, Zaid? What is that?
Green beans.
Huh?
Green beans.
Long beans.
Long beans.
Very good. That one.
A green onion.
Green onion? No.
Okra.
Okra. Do not throw.
Mama bread.
Not Zaido's bread?
Mama Zaido bread.
Okay. Ay, do not throw lagi. It's not good throwing the foods. What else?
One ice cream.
Huh?
One ice cream.
Another one ice cream. What else?
This one.
Oh. What's that? No sale?
No sale.
I will send it to Philippines. Yeah, I need more.
Banana.
Oh, banana. Your favorite banana?
And avocado.
Another avocado. We still have avocado. You don't be angry.
Oh
You're
no.
always angry. Who is always angry? Zido. What are those?
Mango.
Mango. Very good. What else? Finished?
Corn.
Huh? Wait, wait, wait. Wait, sa. Mama will make... Look here. Zaido. Look here, Ana. Sige. Smile, be. Smile. Smile first. Smile first. Zaid. Oh my gosh. Zaido. And the last one is the car. Show it to Mama. Nice car. What kind of car is this?
Red car.
Huh?
Red car.
What?
Red car.
Pickup truck? Finished? Oh, okay. Let's put it in the kitchen. Dali, come here. Uy.